Okay, so we've got the bottom X-axis roller. So we'll just start putting it together. It has one bolt on this side, or two on this side, and it has to do with the design, and I'll show you that. So we'll start with a bearing. We'll put the bearing in. See, it doesn't want to line up. Just take your screwdriver and center the bearing. Pretty painless. So we'll take another bearing, put over these holes. Take a bolt, slide through. Oh, that bearing got way out of the way. So just take the screwdriver and center the bearing. Put a nut on. Pretty painless. Okay, to get ready for these, we'll stand them all on end, and we'll drop the bearings on the bolts. This just makes it a little easier. So take the bearing, drop in the hole. Take the bearing, drop in the hole, put a nut on. Take a bolt, bearing, drop in the hole, put a nut on. So there is the completed part. It's that easy. Now the way to use this is you take the X-axis conduit and you put down through here and it slides back and forth. Now, why did they make this one with 3 and the top one with 4? Well, these two conduits are not very far apart, and it lets this set like this. So that one sets in the middle of this, and these two set on the sides, and you get this. That lets you get these two parts closer together. And when we put together the X-axis, that'll be shown a lot better. So, completed part. It's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.